We have two airdrops to go and claim, so we're gonna be doing just that in this video, and we jump straight onto it. And the first thing is, if you do remember Zora, which by the way is for some reason exploding, it's like a 15 cents right now. They also have released, the Doodles has released a new NFT. We've seen the hype with Zora, might as well go and see it here. They raised 55 million, and the market cap of this NFT is only at 175,000. So would I suggest you go and grab one? Yes, why not? You can go and buy it over here. I will leave you the link down below. Simply go and put how much you want to go and spend. For example, also less. As we see here, you can receive a minimum of this one, or even lower. You can receive 800 and all that. So make sure to go and check the minimum that you can and go and grab it. We have quite a few holders, only 660 as of right now. But you never know. Zora could be, all of a sudden becoming great again. So make sure to go and participate because it is there. We also have the checker for the Somnia airdrop. It's going to be linked down below. Super simple. Come over here. Make sure to go and click enter. Connect the accounts. Connect either Discord or Twitter, your Kepler, MetaMask wallet, whichever one you want. Then let me know your allocation down below. I'm not going to go through the process. It's super easy. Connect your wallet, check eligibility, enter the claiming info, and you are good to go. In terms of great promotion, I do have one with Coinflare, and this is a 2-in-1, so listen closely because we're going to be having quite a few money in our pocket. So over on Coinflare, you can go and sign up, and as we see here, you can make your first deposit of $50 or more, and you get a $100 bonus for trading, which means a 2x on your initial investment. So simply deposit them and get the bonus of $100, then go and trade with the $100, or if you want, go and trade with the 100 plus the $50. After you've done that, come over to Wix and go and deposit those $50 that you used initially over here as well, because once you go and sign up, there is this crazy promotion going on Wix as well, where you get a $1,000 position on a 50x long on Ethereum, long or short, by simply signing up, downloading the app, and you're good to go. You get 1,000 positions, so a $50,000 position on Ethereum, 1,000 at 50x, long or short, up to you. So make sure to go and collect them both. I will leave you the Coinflare down below. Now, the difference between the two one and why am I talking about them. Coinflare is for those of you that want a KYC exchange. They are KYC, so the link will be down below. You go and sign up and it is KYC. On the other hand, Wix is a non-KYC exchange, so make sure to go and take advantage of both. Get free money, open position, try and trade, see if you're able to do anything, and let me know your profit also over here in the comments, or simply come also to my Twitter profile right here, where I do be sharing with you. Also make sure to follow me on Twitter. I do share charts, analytics, and all that could be helpful for you if you're into trading. So these are the top two exchange right now: KYC exchange and non-KYC exchange. Up to you which one you pick, and up to you which one you want to go with, but both of them are treating you well. Next up, we have the public AI airdrop claim is also now live. I will leave you the link down below. The token as of right now is going at about 5 cents, 5 to 6 cents. This was yesterday. You will need a near wallet to go and claim it. Now, personally, I do not have any near wallet, nor even participate in that one, but I know some of you could have participated, and the near wallet was something that we did here. Also over here, simply go and unlock, for example, the Kepler wallet, which it is right here. So let's go and even give it a shot and showcase you how it's done. Simply enter it, unlock the wallet, approve the registration, and you are good to go. Here, connect the wallet. As we see, we got the hot wallet, Meteor, here, OKX, or BigGet wallet, which I do not have. So let me know if you do have it. Let me know if you are eligible for it, and if you are, how much is the token airdrop. This is the second airdrop which we're gonna go and claim. We also have an update over on the Mitosis airdrop. Is coming really soon. We participate in the testnet, as you do remember, with all those diamond, emerald, and situation right there, and it is right here at a 95% completion. So make sure to go and participate, make sure to go and do it, because it is really good. Next up, we also have the second claim offer for the Dymension airdrop, which is providing if you did provide liquidity after the airdrop. So it's a total of 3 airdrops. You can go and get yourself the season 2 airdrop right here. The link will be down. Make sure to go and check it. Make sure to go and check if you have. This is a liquidity provided airdrop, which is, it's not something that it's a testnet anymore. If you did provide liquidity, connect your wallet right here. Simply on the top, click connect. We go with either the Kepler, the Rabbit, the MetaMask, the Leap, or the Wallet Connect. Up to you, and go and check it. Let me know, of course, if the allocation is there. And one other important airdrop which you should not forget about is Avaulto. This is just a reminder, make sure to go and do your swaps on Avaulto because you will need it. Avaulto airdrop is coming soon. A lot of people are fading it and they stopped utilizing. These people will be penalized for sure. So just go and do one transaction, go and do one or two transactions, which is super easy. That's all you gotta do, and you will be eligible for this airdrop. So guys, thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you all in tomorrow's one. Have a great day.